Hi everyone, so we make this short video to have answer the question how much of the power you lost when you actually forget the Renogy inverter turn on, even though that you don't need to use 240 volt accessories appliance at the time. So this is exactly how much you would need to pay for the power to keep the Renogy inverter staying on all time. Look at the picture screen here. It says 7 watt coming out of the system at this point, which including the other accessories and the system running there, including the light on this one as well, which is the electric awning. That is 7 watt output, and we leave the Renogy off. Now we turn it on and see how much it changed from 7 watt here. Turn it on and you hear click inside. Actually already turn on and it quickly jump up to this constantly. Okay, yep, 23 watt, which actually it is the one total use is 16 watt of the 12 volt. Okay, so 16 watt of the 12 volt and 16 watt of the 12 volt system. Okay, now it actually turned out it is a little bit more, okay, a little bit more than 1 ampere per hour to keep this Renogy system turning on all the time. So that's why if you leave it for a day, you lost 24 ampere out of 12 volt on this. If you leave it for 10 days, you lose 240 amp. So just say if you have a power battery bank of the 250 ampere hours, okay, and you leave this on for 10 days, you actually lost all the battery capacity down to 0%, because almost 0%, because of this one draining the power by itself. So yeah, that's about, and you can see it's all good.